Alright guys, so we're gonna put some new system on the truck. I got some new subs for it. They're 12s, right now I have some 10s, they're Pioneer, Shallows. I'm gonna give those to my brother, Adrian. So we'll put those on the red one, but for now, we're gonna put on the new subs in. Hopefully it'll sound badass. There's some Skar audio ones. They're 12s, they're shallow mount. And then I got a ground shaker box for it.
Skar audio, Pinche vistas user, man. Están las güeyes.
A ver.
Dual voice coil 2 ohms. Dual 2 ohms. Están las güeyes. 12s, little shallows. Gonna for sure bump. Put that shit right here. Fits perfect way. Don't gotta do any cutting. Esta tiene un stick. Un sticker. Esa sí tiene sticker.
Shut the fuck up.
Órale, chiquia.
Around the corners, you're not supposed to hold them like that.
You're not supposed to hold them like that. Your wiring's wrong. That's too little space for those subs.
I know, huh?
All that shit. You wanna know something? Me vale puro dick. Me vale madre, güey. Ahí están las güeyes. This side.
There it is.
Yeah, see.
4 bolts this side, so 8 all around.
Yeah, so okay, you know, right here, y luego there's 2 in the front. You know, same over here. You know, it comes off all as one piece. Yeah, see, I could put the new box in. That bitch is big. So, yay.
Let me see your wiring.
Pinche wire está pa' la verga.
Sick.
Oh, you have a CD? ¿Cuál de?
What CD? Did you have this one?
Yeah, I've had that one. Look, there's a CD right here. ¿Cuáles son? Oh, los marineros. I was looking for this one, man.
That one.
Betty,
Sick,
esta una Betty. I'll get in trouble for these.
What are you doing currently?
Ahorita I'm taking off these little wires porque they're hooked up to the amp, they wire through the freaking seat. So if I pull it off, no, it's not gonna let it. Right now I'm just fucking disconnecting it. I think we could pull out the seats now.
Alright, I'm gonna do it.
Ah, that motherfucker's heavy. That's all the shit I fucking had. Órale, so we took off the seats. Mira, pinche verguero que tengo, no manches. It's fucking dirty, man. Ahí tengo mis pinches sunflower seeds. Ahí está mi pinche hat, you know, porque cada chair tiene una puta hat inside his truck. Mira, no mames. Pero yeah, this is a setup I used to have. They're shallow 10s, Pioneers. Got a little sound stream, you know, a little epicenter. But yeah, right now I thought lamp, I'm gonna reuse it, it still works. It's 1500 watts at RMS. The speakers I'm gonna wire them up to like 2 ohms. So yeah, I'll show you guys how to do that. But for sure this amp could handle the new speakers I'm putting in here. But yay, right now I'm gonna just clean up real quick, give it a quick vacuum, take that old box off. And yay, for sure. Well, it's nice and vacuum right now. You know, that's the best I could. Eventually, I'm gonna get some new carpet for it, some black one. That way, it matches the interior. Pero yay, ahí está toda aspirada la way. Now we're gonna fucking wire up the subs in the box and everything, because I gotta set them up to 2 ohms, so I gotta wire them up. I'll show you guys how to do that. And yeah, see, we could put them in here. ¿Sí salió bien? Yo. Órale. Now with that hole, I could feed the wires through. Because I gotta wire up the subs and Perla. Yeah, see, I get them down to 2 ohms. For max power.
I hate you so much.
So aquí está el box. Es un Grand Shaker box. A ver. Let me show you guys the measurements. Mira, aquí están los measurements. Ahí está. It's tuned to 35 Hz. So it's ported y todo. Ahí está la port y todo. There's a little hole I'm gonna put the wire through. Pero yeah, it's a Grand Shaker. You know. Hopefully se oigan los pinches corriazos. Los de Charlie, ¿no? Badass. There's a wire diagram. So it's 2 ohms subs to 2 ohm load on the amp. I'll make sure to leave that in the video. I'll put it up in the video so you guys can see it. Pero yeah, since this one's dual voice coil, tienen las dos, I'm gonna have to wire them up like that. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Little jumper. Como aquí en el diagram tiene un jumper going from one voice coil to the other one, so negative to positive. Luego, yeah, from there, this positive goes to that positive, to that wire, or to that sub wire. So let me just jump the other one también. So I jump this one también. Negative, y luego positive. This one's jump también. Ya de allí. Let me drop this one here. Don't lock your fucking phone.
Dumbass.
What's you? So this positive goes to this sub. Why do you have your shit turning off to like it turns off all fucking early way?
Bro, it saves my battery.
Vale dick when you're trying to do shit like this. Si te apaga. You're trying to watch a video to fix your shit.
It doesn't turn off on you when you watch a video. Only when you're not touching it.
Mira, vale dick.
I like conserving my battery.
Me vale dick. Órale, so this one goes. This one goes. Let's place this here también. Damn, way, this shit's about to bump some chalinos, some pinche chacales, some jilgueros.
Some blue face.
Nah, blueface. No man. Puras norteñas, none of that fucking guitar shit. No me gusta.
I
hate that shit so much.
I mean, I don't mind.
Truck Invasion video all the time.
All the basic songs, güey. All the basic chats.
Them shits are annoying.
Es cada quien, güey. Pero a mí, nomás unas me gustan. Pero puros jilgueros,
Oh, this
chacales
shit
del
turned
norte,
on.
los
Oh, no, it didn't.
pescadores. Fucking what else? What else do we bump to, Adrian?
We bumped to. You said Chacales?
Yeah, los rayantes. Some oldies, güey. Los caminantes,
Los traileros.
Los traileros,
Here
los
and there.
traficantes. Los traficantes, alright. The guy's voice fucking cracks.
I know, huh?
Have you noticed,
Yes.
güey? No mames.
That, I was the only one
Mom likes that nigga. There's only a few songs donde no canta pa la verga, pero some of them sí canta pa la verga, sí, güey. Your sick ass
Bro.
phone, güey. Nigga, take that shit off.
You're fine. Damn, this shit's going on for 4 minutes.
Fuck it, it's some funny ass shit we could put in the video. Some dumb shit, the actual dumb shit we said. Órale, so this one. Yeah, so ya de allí. Bien. Am I doing this right way? Yeah, I am doing it right. Ya de allí. So which one's gonna be negative? Which one should I make negative?
The one on the left.
Porque one wire has writing y otro no. Is it? Yeah, we'll make this one negative, right? The one that has writing negative. Okay, so you take one negative, y aquí lo pones. Now that wire hooks up to the one over there. Ahorita les enseño. Below you take the other one, the other terminal, which is a positive. Pones aquí, y ya. Y luego ya de allí run this one, that positive to the one over there.
Alright.
So I think this one, yeah, this one's all wired up now.
This is cut for us just putting it in.
Yeah.
Alright. Shout out to the homie that saw me on Thornton Parkway.
Was that where it went?
Yeah.
Yeah, he texted me right away on Instagram. He's like, hey, was that you?
He saw me.
Working on the van away trying to fix it. He's like,
With the second gen, he knows who he
He has a
is.
clean that second gen.
It's cool.
I
He's
follow
like,
him on-
what's up, bro?
Yeah, wait, I follow him on Instagram. He has a clean
You're
ass
dope.
red one. He has a red one.
LOL.
Shut
This shit ain't focusing.
LOL.
Alright, subs are in. Everything getting connected.
These little shits are badass.
These small ones.
¿Cuál es? Oh yeah, the little ruptured fudge gate too.
Okay. Now what?
Yeah, I'm hooking it all up. Oh fuck, just keep recording like that.
Of course, I grab it from the lens.
John, you're so fucking retarded. Estás bien puñetas, güey.
Sorry, dude.
Hey, John, we gotta spin the cam con huevos.
Oh yeah, bro.
Not like a little pussy.
We had to fucking cut that shit all out.
People think que no le dimos con huevos, güey.
Damn.
People think que no tenemos.
If only they knew, way.
If only they knew, pero es que no, we don't use all that fucking footage, güey.
That shit will just be boring as fuck.
Pinche ground vale deep. How much is cutting? Give me a new ground. If only I had those little things, that little thing. Ahí está. I think it'll work. Go ahead. Let me check. Ahí a la verga.
Oh, we champ on it
Pinche
too.
cablerío. Lamps on now. No green light on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bump, my nigga. Don't me phone. Oh, you're recording?
Yes.
Pues ahí están los subs. Now we're gonna put everything back together. So the subs are in. Están. Acá estoy, is my center console and everything. Ahí están los seats, bro. Acá estoy, is the seat. Ese está al revés, pero me vale dick. I don't care. No es con que they bump pinche rolona. Aquí están los speakers in case you guys want to get them también. Those are the specs. So do 2 ohms. Pues ahí están todos los specs. I don't know if you guys can hear me, pero they're those. They're the VD12 series. They're cool. They're dope. They're not even that expensive. They're not that bad. So yay. Están los ways. They fit nice and snug.
Como todos para el extranjero. Con promesas le llena y saliendo. Presumiendo de lo que no tiene. Pero nadie.
Orale, from what you guys could see, they fucking bump. Like way better than the other ones I had. They're not that bad for price. Also, these were like $90 each. It's not bad. And then they're 12s and dual voice coil 2 ohms. I'll make sure to link down below. Let us know what other videos you guys want to see. You know. Thanks for the support. You guys are fucking awesome. Pues ahí le vamos a seguir dando con los videos. Con los pinches videos. Thanks for the support. Pues ahí los veo.